Today, I'm bringing you an all-in-one AI tool straight from China, created by the team behind Bruce Lee. And it even has the potential to change the entire game. This thing could honestly be a serious competitor to Google's VO3. The best part? This AI gives you a bunch of free credits every single day. Photos, videos, talking avatars, whatever you can imagine, you can create with it. Watch the full tutorial and stay with me till the last second. And don't leave me hanging. I'll reveal the website's name at the very end of the video.
Hi everyone, my name is Iman. This is the Iman Global YouTube channel. Welcome back to a new tutorial. Please support my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started.
I click sign in because we need a user account. Here, we can create one using Google, Apple, Facebook, or even a personal email. To keep things simple, I click continue with Google, choose one of my active Google accounts in the browser, and confirm it. After that, I answer the platform's questions. I enter my age, add a short description about myself, and we're done. As you clearly see in the video, fully documented, we are on a free account, and right now, on this date, we get 120 daily credits for generating images and videos. This might change in the future, so don't accuse me of lying or clickbaiting in the comments. First, I'll show you how to make images with AI, then videos. Stick with me. At the top of the site, there's a prompt box. I've already prepared a prompt for generating an image, and I paste it right here. In the second drop-down, we can choose the image model, either image 4 or even nano-banana and image 3. For this first test, we go with image 4. In the next section, we have a lot of options for aspect ratio. Here, I choose 16:9 because I'm creating content for YouTube. Then we can choose the resolution between 2K and 4K. Picking either one affects how many daily credits you spend, so be careful. In the final section, we can even manually enter the size. After these settings, I submit the prompt, and the images are generated instantly based on my request. In my first test, I didn't notice and sent the prompt 3 times, so as you can see, 3 rows of images were generated. Let's review them. The download option appears above the images. By clicking the 3 dots on the right, you get access to the delete option. With Generate Video, you can animate this still image and turn it into a video. Using Upscale, you can boost the image quality. With Remove, you can erase any element from the image. Even when you hover the mouse over the thumbnails, you can access the download and delete options. Here's something interesting. I paste the exact same prompt into the prompt box again. This time, let's switch the model to nano-banana and compare its results to the default image model. With nano-banana, unfortunately we don't have control over aspect ratio. I submit the prompt, and the images are generated instantly. They're square, but the quality is noticeably better than the default model. They look really appealing, and I'm downloading them all. Don't go anywhere. The next part covers AI avatars and video, so stay ready. Now I've prepared another prompt, this time in a cartoony Pixar style. I paste it into the prompt box. With the same previous settings, I submit the prompt, and the images are generated instantly. They look like they came straight out of a Pixar or Disney animation. They're super fun. In this same style, I also generated images of celebrities like Dwayne Johnson, Celine Dion, Ronaldo, Johnny Depp, and Will Smith. But for some other artists and celebrities, I got copyright warnings, meaning their images couldn't be generated. In the realistic style, some celebrities like Bruce Lee were generated. And note that I created Bruce Lee's images using the nano-banana model. Now, just as an example, let's test the upscale option on this image of Britney Spears. It seems like the image gets larger, but the quality doesn't improve that much. So now let's try Creative Upscale. In the Parameters section, I increase detail. Instead of 2K, I set upscale to 4K. Let's see how it turns out. After a short wait, the result is shown side by side, before and after. As you can clearly see, the upscaled version is genuinely sharper and improved. Now I've prepared a Cyberpunk-style prompt. I paste it into the prompt box. With the same settings, I submit the prompt, and the images are generated instantly. The colors, the neon lines, the overall mood, it all delivers that cyberpunk feel. This AI can also turn text into video. I activate the AI video option. I paste the prompt I had prepared earlier. Right now, the active video model is video 3, but new models may be added in the future. You can also change the aspect ratio. You can select anything from 5 to 10 seconds for the video length. But remember that longer videos cost more credits. Now I submit the prompt, and after a very short wait, a video is created from my text. It looks incredibly realistic and honestly mind-blowing. I still can't believe we've reached a point where text turns into video like this. This all-in-one Chinese AI can also create talking avatars with custom movements and custom voices. I activate AI avatar. Here, I choose and upload an avatar image from my hard drive, in this example a Joker. After that, I upload an audio file containing the script the avatar should read. In the action description section, I can enter camera movements and character motions. Then I submit the prompt, and after a short wait, my image comes to life as an avatar, syncing the audio with an excellent lip sync and following the camera motions exactly as I requested. Today, I'm bringing you an all-in-one AI tool straight from China. Now, for the next example, I upload an avatar image of Bruce Lee from my hard drive. After that, I upload the audio file containing the script Bruce Lee should read. In the action description section, I can enter the camera movements and character actions I want. Then I submit the prompt, and after a short wait, my image comes to life as an avatar, syncing the audio with excellent lip sync, created by the team behind Bruce Lee. Now take a look at 2 more animated avatars I created using the exact same method. Photos, videos, talking avatars, whatever you can imagine, you can create with it. Photos, videos, talking avatars, whatever you can imagine, you can create with it. Here's the link to that Chinese AI website I promised at the start of the tutorial. This link gives you easy access without needing a phone number or a Chinese IP. Do you think it can beat Veo 3 or not? Now it's time to hit the like button with some force. In the next tutorial, you're going to see things that will genuinely surprise you. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new tutorials. AI is the future, and today is the day to embrace it.